Hello, good morning student. How are you? I hope that you are quite well at your home and stay safe at your home. Okay. So here we discuss about the topic chapter 2 class 10th chemical bond. In previous classes I also explained about electrovalent and covalent bond, coordinate bonds. Okay, so here we discuss about the covalent bond and electrovalent bond. Okay, because of the topic is effect of electricity of electrovalent and covalent bond. Okay, you know well about electricity in physics. Okay, and here we discuss about the conduction of electricity by covalent bond or by covalent compound and electrovalent compound. Okay, so here we discuss. First we take you are seeing the apparatus which is shown in figure, that 6-volt battery. We need 6-volt battery just as like required material. 6-volt battery, ammeter for measurements of current, bulb for finding the current is passed through the started or not, and platinum wire. We made 2 electrodes just as like positive connected by this electrode and negative poles of the battery connected by this electrode. So it is work as a anode and its work as a cathode. Okay, and uh, some some electrolytic solutions, just as like water but mixed with electrolyte, liquid formed with okay, and some electrolytes or electrovalent compound, and we take some covalent compound. First we start with electrovalent compound. Okay, just as like MgCl2, NaCl2. Okay, sorry, NaCl, not NaCl2, NaCl. Okay, the liquid of electrolyte of covalent bond, pour inside the beaker, and we start the passing the current through the battery and electrode. Then after some minute or after second, after an instant time, the reading of ammeter is increase. Okay, and the bulb is glow. It means that the conduction of electricity is conducted through this electrovalent bond. Okay, so we concluded that the electrovalent compound uh, uh, pass electricity or conduct electricity. Okay, so bulb glow. Clear? The concluded is that the electrovalent compound conduct electricity because the bulb glow and the ammeter reading is also increases when we pour the electrovalent compound as a liquid form in molten state or liquid state, pour in beaker, and current through current pass through 6-volt battery in the electrodes and bulb glow. It means that the conduction of electricity conduction of electricity occurred by the help of electrovalent compound. So we concluded that electrovalent compound conduct electricity because of it having the free mobile ions. Okay, so this is this we concluded that the electrovalent compound conduct electricity. In second time, after this demonstrate this practical, and we take a covalent compound just as like water, sugar solution, alcohol, okay, benzene, chloroform, and so on, burn with liquid in liquid form, and again we arrange the apparatus as shown in figure as 6-volt battery, ammeter, bulb, platinum wire, okay, and beaker, clear, but the liquid is changed. Here is water in for second experiment, first is not water but liquid. When we form liquid, so then it gets water, okay. And now the electrolyte sorry, the water or other covalent bond compound as benzene, chloroform, pour inside the beaker and the current pass through the battery in electrodes, anode and cathodes. The emitter reading do not increase and the bulb do not glow when we pour the covalent bond compound inside the beaker. We observe that the reading of ammeter is not increased and the bulb is not glow. So it concluded that the electricity not conducted by the covalent bond. We concluded that covalent bond do not conduct electricity. Okay, student. So there is a difference between conduction by the, there is a difference that electrovalent bond, electrovalent compound conduct electricity and covalent bond do not conduct electricity. Okay, student. Thank you. Good day.